Kia ora mai anō, ko ngā tuakana teina moana roa ngā Māori tuatahi ki te tāmoko Kirimana ki tētahi kapa poipapa no Amerika. Ahakoa I whānau mai rāua I ahi treiria, I poipoia hoki o rāua pūkenga I reira. Kua whakai rāua ki te tākaro mā te kapa o Aotearoa nei.
Tūtaki mai ki te whānau moana roa no Tainui, ko moko te tuakana o Boss, ko Joe Moana roa tā rāua pāpā.
My two boys have sold their allegiance to this country to the expense of the Australians, and I know some of them are not too happy. Of course, they're two Māori boys, so yeah, we'll be here.
Do we need a Māori baseball team in the World Cup?
Oh, for sure. It's really good to see all the young Māori boys come from softball into baseball, and it's good to see them getting signed.
Nā rāua te huarahi ki te taumata iki o te ao poipapa I para mo te ao Māori. I te tau 2008, ka tāmoko Kirimana rāua ki te kapa o te Boston Red Sox.
We're getting a baseball team for the World Baseball Classic, so for me it's a privilege to come back and play for my home country. I'll go back home, play in the ABL at the moment, and then hopefully head off in March. Yeah.
Kei te kāinga rātau ki te poipoi I te reanga e ara ake nei.
Follow through. Come here. Follow through. Good. Oh, it's very exciting to come back, see all the whānau, see all the little kids and see how they're progressing through baseball and stuff. Oh, it's awesome.
He just gave me a few tips about pitching and throwing and just basic drills like that.
Just keep at it, training, keep doing what you're doing, and you'll make it one day.
A couple of my friends are pretty good and they're keen to be a major league player someday, just like myself.
Making a transition from any sport for a Māori person is just natural. They're naturally talented, and I believe it's not too distant future that we could have a Māori player in the major league. So how exciting would that be?
Hei te marama o Here Turi Kōka, hoki mai ai rāua ki te whakangungu me te kapa o Aotearoa. Roihana Nuri, Te Karere.